How to block someone on Telegram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to get rid of unwanted conversation by blocking someone on Telegram? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Telegram on your device. Now locate the user you want to block. You can either browse through the list of accounts available here or directly search for them. For ease, let's use the search function. Tap on the search icon, enter their name in the search bar. As you can see, I have found the user. Enter the conversation with the user. Tap on the name of the user at the top of the chat. Now tap on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. A menu will appear. Here, you will find an option named as Block User. Tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure about blocking the user. If you are sure about that, tap on the option Block User. And boom! You have successfully blocked someone on Telegram. Now they won't be able to call or message you. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.